Okay, this is a viewer request video. It's our first viewer request video, and this request is about how to add a picture as a background for your web page. Well, we looked at some examples on what that would look like. That could be a good use of a background picture and what could be a bad use. Well, we're going to try to make it turn out pretty good. So I went online and I found a couple of pictures that I wanted to use. One is the background, this one here, desert night sky is what I named it. It had another name. I just retitled it as desert underscore night underscore large .jpg. So you can add a background image to your CSS by doing it inside the body tag like this, background image. But the thing is every web page that uses this style sheet will have that same background image. So I'm going to show it to you how to make it a class that you can reference on each body of a web page. So for the home page, we're going to have a different background. So we're going to make this in CSS by doing a dot home, and then the curly bracer, and we're going to type this in, background dash image colon URL, and then parentheses. And inside of the quotation marks, we're going to write the directory location of the image we want to use. So on my computer, I have a folder called images. And inside of images, I have this file, desert underscore night underscore large .jpg. And that's what I'm going to type in here, desert underscore night underscore large. So I downloaded two different sizes of that picture. One was kind of a small one, and then I went to the web page and downloaded the bigger one. So let's see what that looks like here. Background dash image URL. Okay, but we need to reference this class, this home class, inside of our body tag. So on the home page here, index.html, inside the starting body tag, we're going to type class equals home. All right, and when I first load this up and then save it, you will see, I didn't save it over here. There we go. What did we forget? Oh, we forgot the JPEG. Aha, there we go. .jpg. Make sure everything's written correctly. Okay, there it is. So it took us to this home page, and we can see it. It fills the whole page. It's a little blurry. The size isn't great, but notice it makes it hard to see some of the links and the text that's on the page. But honestly, it does look pretty good. As long as the font that I was using was black or maybe white, I'd be able to see everything more easily. So you could, inside of your styles, for your header tags and for your link tags, you could go and change the font color. For example, if it was an H1 tag you wanted to change, like ancient Mesopotamia, you could say font dash color white. Or not font color, just color. There you go. And save and refresh, and then it'll show up here. So that looks better. So you might have to experiment a little bit with that, with some of the different things on your web pages. But that is how to add a picture to your website as a background. If you wanted it to be a picture you can use on every page and not just a class, you could take this line, background image, and move it up inside the body like this. And you could get rid of the home class and delete the class here from body. Save everything, go and refresh, and now it'll be on each page. Okay, but that's going to be up to you to experiment with. Don't use a background image that makes your web page hard to see. But that is our first viewer request video. So Thank you very much for your suggestion, and hope you guys enjoyed that. Good luck.